Yeah, your boy is all here, and tonight I have a guest, SubLab from FAW, aka Future Audio Workshop. And basically this plugin here is a kick designer, so it will be really handy for everybody that wants their own unique kicks. And basically it will allow you to design your kicks with 3 components. Okay, you have here 3 sound sources. Okay, you can have a synthesizer here with waveforms here, a sampler where you can load samples, and a pretty unique feature which is harmonic generation. You can generate subharmonics here and then upper harmonics here. Okay, 3 sources that you can blend here on the mixer. This is what I did here. And then you have the modifiers here, which is distortion and compression here, and filter here. For each case you can choose to impact, for example, for the filter, impact the synths here. You have a dry wet here, and the sampler here. Same for the distortion, same for the compression here. Here you have your monitoring to see the levels, relative levels. Okay, it's color coded, so pretty handy. Okay, synthesizer here, of course you can choose the octave here and ADSR for the volume, filter, pitch. The sample here, you can pretty choose the root octave, the root notes, fine-tune stuff, start, the end. This is what I did here. And loop, also edit the sample. Beware to not erase, because it will be basically erasing or saving the already existing sample, right? So guys, let me just make you hear what I did just prior recording the video. I was playing with an analog lab, a pretty simple thing here. I'm gonna filter it, drive it. I'm gonna put some reverb on it, yeah. Like that. And then we're gonna design a kick from scratch here. I have the rest of the beat here. I'm gonna put new here and we're gonna improvise. You know me, guys. Let me from scratch here. You hear that you have a sine wave, okay? So don't be biased and don't think that this bad boy will only let you make some trap shit and all that. You can beef up any type of beat. You can layer with your own kicks and all that. I can just do that. Okay, and add another kick or something like that. But anyway, I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, like that. Already sounding good here. Okay, let me just solo it. Okay, you hear it now. So you have here the sine wave. I can choose square. Okay, triangle. Okay, nothing exciting for now. But let me just put a sample on it. So you already have some samples here, or you can drag and drop your own sample. So I'm gonna use a classic 808 stuff. So let me just lower this and okay. Okay, let me just do it like that. Okay, let me just now. Like that, okay. I don't know why the octave is not. Oh, yeah. My bad. Tracking here. Like that. I can choose to the impact here. Okay, I can use the low cut here, like that. Okay, now listen, distortion. I'm gonna use distortion. Which type? Let me just increase here. Okay, tube, like that. Like that. Okay, let me bring back this thing now. Okay, now see that there's some decay here. I'm gonna tighten up the attack. Also the filter here. Like that. Okay, now I'm gonna look at that. Distort the sine wave. I would love to have a phase switch here. Okay, like that. Maybe the release is too high. I'm on a minimum release here. Okay. Oh yeah, for the pitch, right. Yeah, like that. Subharmonics here. You can choose also to put some heat here and the compression here for the kick. Like that. But not for now. I'm gonna show you the harmonics here. Yeah, you feel it here. Just put this thing back. Okay, this is what we hear. So I'm gonna keep those harmonics here. It's based on the bass note. Okay, I wanna keep this thing, right? And now we're gonna mix it. Like that. Yeah, let me just. Let me just try to see. I have a decay. I have a decay here, which is getting on my nerve right now. Like that. Okay, like that. Basically, I will definitely bounce each sound and play on my own here. I like to have all the components to play with it during the arrangement here. Let me just lower the volume on my headphones. Okay, it's too clicky. Yeah, the kick is too clicky. Like that. Like that. Let me just put it like that. Let's double check. Okay, I'm gonna put it back here. Yeah, I like it like that. I'm gonna be more drastic on the drive. definitely we will have to filter this thing. I'm gonna filter the kick here. Yep. Hit. Exactly like that. Yeah, that's some pretty deep swing, man. I will definitely even add some distortion on it. Yeah, because I can do that. Let me just put maybe this on it to tighten up. This thing on everything low is a killer. Attack. No, not this thing. Okay, I'm gonna try another thing, my friend. You know that it's pure improvisation. I wanna control here the boominess and all that, and to do so, distortion is really great, especially for the low end rumble, right? Basically, I like this thing because it's rolling things here. To design things with this thing. I'm gonna put some filter. Okay, I can excite the transient here. Like that. Okay, I think we're straight here. The rumble on the lows. Now, I want to bring back some here. Now, yeah, it's beefy right now. Okay, I can bring back now the filter in here for the sample for example here. Okay, for the synths here, I think we're good here. Okay, let me just put like a mini filter here. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. Modulation. Okay, I think you have it here. I really do it like I will do it on my own, not just showing you SubLab, but the way I'm gonna use stuff in real production, guys, real situations. And so guys, I really hope you see the power of this thing. and this is super powerful, affordable, and really fun to use, really quick. And I'm gonna definitely put it on my template in machine, because you can load in machine, for example on the kick of a drum kit, and play with this. Okay, so I already made some feature requests to the guys behind this, and they're really listening. So we're gonna have pretty soon, I think, solo here for each sound. Instead of I wanted to mute them instead of lowering them. I will really love to have phase here, phase switches for each part. Okay, and why not also something to align them, maybe more precisely than the attack here. Okay, so let me just hear it. Okay, I really have to control the. You see the decay here. The decay is not like in sync. Everybody is not decaying at the same time, especially here. Yeah, maybe like that. I'm gonna put more impact. Okay, maybe we're gonna finish here by putting this. I already have a limiter here to protect, but you know that I'm gonna use this bad boy here and my basses just to kiss this thing and to calm down. Just like that, something to control these things. If you wanna keep it dirty because it's sounding too clean here, let me just put this. Yeah, that's pretty too much, but yeah, I can do it. Like that. Okay, now like that. By the way, it's on sale right now. Okay, there you have it, my friends. A lot of colors on these things, alright? So this was your boy Zo with a special guest named SubLab from Future Audio Workshop. You better check this thing, guys, if you're really serious about beat making and production. And you can use it for anything, okay? You can use it for sound design. You can use it to layer with some other kits. You can use it for cinematic stuff, you know, if you want some low rumbles and all that. Even like synths, okay? Basically, you can make some bass on this thing, alright? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was your boy Zo, as usual. Feel free to like, subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.